Ho 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 and Merry Christmas! This is the new Mrs. Claus making the chocolate peppermint stick. You ready? Alright. Going to start with 1.5 ounces of creme de cacao. And 1 ounce of cream. Bam. An ounce of peppermint schnapps. Oh, I love peppermint, but you know, I am a candy fanatic. Just add that to our shaker filled with ice. And strain it into your glass. Great for sitting by the fireside. And we garnish with the peppermint stick. And there you have it, the chocolate peppermint stick. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Rachel Brianna, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. We post them Monday through Friday.